The games that stay worth playing are usually the ones that keep adding new content, improving stability, and giving players more reasons to come back, instead of relying only on a strong launch. By the end, you'll know 5 games that continue feeling better to play in 2026 because of ongoing updates, improved features, and active player communities. The first game is Monopoly Go. Monopoly Go has continued expanding with new events, collectible stickers, limited-time tournaments, and cooperative features. That steady stream of activities gives returning players something different to work toward, instead of repeating the same routine every day. The second game is Clash Royale. Clash Royale has evolved through balance changes, new cards, seasonal events, and gameplay adjustments. Players who take time to learn different deck strategies still find fresh ways to compete as the game continues changing. The third game is Pokémon Go. Pokémon Go remains one of the strongest examples of a mobile game improving over time. Regular in-game events, new Pokémon, raid updates, and additional gameplay features encourage players to keep exploring, instead of reaching a point where progress completely stops. Now let's finish with 2 more games. The fourth game is Royal Match. Royal Match continues adding new puzzle levels and seasonal events, giving players a constant flow of fresh content without changing the simple gameplay that made it popular. The fifth game is Township. Township combines city building with farming, and regularly introduces themed events, decorations, and additional activities that keep long-term players engaged. One reason these games continue attracting players is that they don't remain exactly the same after release. Developers regularly fix bugs, improve performance, introduce new events, and adjust gameplay based on community feedback. That ongoing support often matters more than how impressive a game looked on launch day. If you're trying one of these games for the first time, spend a few days learning the basic systems before deciding whether it's worth keeping. Many long-term features unlock gradually, so judging a game after only a few minutes doesn't always show what makes it enjoyable. The biggest takeaway is that Monopoly Go, Clash Royale, Pokémon Go, Royal Match, and Township have remained popular because they continue receiving updates that improve the overall experience, instead of leaving players with the same content forever. Your next step is to choose one game that matches the type of gameplay you enjoy most, play consistently for a week, and explore its current events before deciding whether to make it part of your regular rotation. If this guide helped you discover games that have improved over time, like the video and subscribe for more game reviews, rankings, and weekly mobile gaming updates.